How you doing, everybody? Matt here with American Campfire Creations, and we're here at another stop along our trip up the California coast, this time in Samoa, California. The spot we're at is actually called the Samoa boat ramp, and while you're here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can keep track of our adventures across the country. So like I said, Samoa, California, absolutely beautiful. It's right at sunset right now. I figured I'd get some really nice sunset views back here behind me. I'm also going to be doing some aerial footage of the area so you can get a nice view of all this beautiful ocean around us. You can see here behind me there's absolutely plenty of room for camping. They have them all designated in these spot numbers, and right up here, there's actually a camp host here, and there's a box up there where you would make out a check for the area. It's Humboldt County ran, and what you do is you just fill out a check and put it in an envelope, put it in the bin. For campers, it's $25 a day, and so plus I believe it's $2 per dog as well. And they also have some charges for using the boat ramp and things like that. But anyways, we figure $25 a day to be surrounded by ocean like this was absolutely perfect. Obviously there's no hookups here, although there is water at the sites that are over here nearest the road. They also have picnic tables there as well. I'm not 100% sure if it's potable water or not, but there are water hookups over there. The spots that are here where we're at, basically down to where this other white RV is right here, they do not have water hookups. And then the spots right here in the middle where you see this van, they also do not have water hookups. But yeah, the other ones that do have the water, they also have fire rings and, like I said, picnic tables. But we didn't need any of that. We have plenty of water on the rig for the days we're going to be here. Plus, we have the generator, as you can see. We're perfectly fine for just staying here. We wanted to be at this inn spot. We're at number 56. So basically, nobody can park right here next to us, which we thought was great. So we have this unencumbered view of the ocean right here, which is nice. Yeah, this is a really great spot. You're probably only 15-20 minutes from Eureka, which is right over here. Right over here. And everything you need is there. All the shops, gas, everything. It's a fairly large town, so you know anything you could possibly need is over there. Besides that, I mean, we love this area. We'll definitely be coming back here if we're ever over here on the coast in Northern California. I mean, you can't beat the $25 a day for views like this. And everybody's been real nice. The host people, they were real friendly. I mean, it's quiet here, as you can see. I mean, there's not really much going on around here. Basically, the only people who come out here are either staying here or they're just fishing, or it's real, like I said, real quiet. It's clean. It's county ran, so you know they come out here, they take care of it, keep it nice out here. The cell signal here is pretty good. We haven't had any issues with AT&T or Verizon. All the spots are nice and level. This is, I know it's hard to tell, but it's actually paved. And then on the edges there's some sand, but yeah, it's pretty much a paved lot designated in spots that are numbered. But yeah, so far we've noticed that this town, Eureka, at least out here at the boat ramp, has been great, a great stop. I would definitely recommend coming over and checking this place out if you're ever traveling up the coast of California on your way to Oregon or whatnot. Swinging in here and give it a shot. You're allowed to stay here up to 7 days, which is, you know, great. And yeah, kind of just wanted to share this spot with you guys. Go ahead and stay till the end of the video so you can see that aerial footage of this area, kind of get a nice view of the sunset and the surrounding ocean. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sign off, and I will see all of you at our next campsite. Be easy, everybody.